Have you ever wondered how a piece of fruit can turn into fuel or food? It all starts with a metabolic shortcut called alcoholic fermentation. Unlike us, some organisms like yeast can produce energy without oxygen. This is an anaerobic process. It begins with glycolysis, where a simple sugar like the glucose found in banana is broken down. During this process, the sugar is converted into two main products, ethanol and carbon dioxide. The organism gets two molecules of ATP, which is the energy it needs to survive, while the CO2 is what makes bread, rice, or drink bubbly. From making sustainable biofuel to crafting local food products, fermentation is a metabolism in action. 1 minute, one sugar molecule, and one whole lot of energy. That's the metabolic minute. And that's it. Thank you for watching.